Jared and I, we're making the red light. Is it turned on?
Yeah.
Jared and I are making brownies.
A double batch.
A double batch. Turn around, look at the camera. For his 11th birthday for school tomorrow. Stir, Buck. Stir. Jared's causing a stir.
We should have used a bigger bowl.
No, it's gonna be all right.
Very interesting.
Let me give it a little bit of bottom stir. You hold that bowl. There. I'll push this side. You kind of push that way. Okay. See how I kind of got to get to the bottom there. I'm going to scrape around the sides and then kind of lift as I'm doing it. That'll help pull that. See that? When you see there was a... Okay, that's enough sushi.
That's Stacy's documentary. Bye.